run to SNR if you can because they just dropped these products that are really worth your money. These are their members value almonds and raisin chocolate. So this is priced at $499 if I'm not mistaken. Basta $490 plus. I think it's $499 nga. So yeah, they have different variants. I got 3 out of 4 I believe. Para wala naman ako nakita yatang raisin na in milk chocolate. So this is almonds in milk chocolate, almonds in dark chocolate, and this one raisin in dark chocolate. Ito halos paubos na kasi we've been munching on this. Alam ko merong Kirkland sa SNR but I'm really not a fan of that. Pero ito masarap. Siyempre dark chocolate, hindi siya ganun katamis. Meron siyang konting bitter flavor because it's dark chocolate. And then yung almonds niya, sobrang fresh pa. Sobrang, ano pa, yung hindi pa siya makunat, diba? So, it's really crispy pa. Kaya masarap pa siyang i-munch on. The good thing about this is it comes in a resealable pack like this. Kaya perfect siyang bitbitin even kapag nasa travel kayo, nasa kotse kayo. Kasi, like kami, minsan mahahaba talaga yung mga road trip namin because of the traffic. So, we really traverse from east to going to Makati. And sa sobrang traffic, minsan gutom na even my kids. So, masarap siyang i-munch on talaga. So, this one, I really recommend. So, and then ito naman, I got the raisin one also. Pero ang kinuha ko dito, tama, meron pala tong variant na raisins and milk chocolate. Pero I ditched that na. Kasi, mas gusto ko yung dark chocolate with the raisins. Kasi matamis na yung raisins. So, at least, with the dark chocolate, medyo na neutralize na yung sweetness. So, ito yung smaller pack. Meron sila larger one na, yun, yung bigger than this. Para talagang pang buong pamilya or buong barkada, diba? Masarap talaga siya. I'll show you how big it is. Teka lang. Yan. This one is the raisins. Kaka-open ko lang nitong raisins. Kasi, mas minamunch on ko yung almonds. But, marami-rami na rin nakain ko ito doon. Kasi may pa-free taste sila. So, yan. The raisin ones, medyo mas maliliit sila. Compared to itong almonds. I'll show you the almond ones. Big talaga yung sa almond. Ayan. Ito yung sa almond. And then, ito yung sa raisins. So,